Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain about how to use the undo, redo, and history operations. Let's begin! Let's start! To undo or redo an action performed in editing, select Undo or Redo from the menu bar. Undo allows you to undo the operation. Redo allows you to undo the cancelled operation. You can also undo the operation by pressing Ctrl-Z on the keyboard. You can also redo by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Z on the keyboard. The cancel and redo actions from the menu bar or keyboard can only be used to alter one previous and subsequent action. But using the History panel, you can view the past operation history and alter actions further in the past. You can go back to your history. The History panel can be displayed by clicking the arrow of the project panel group at the bottom left of the screen and selecting History. Also, if the History panel is not displayed, you can display it by selecting History from the menu bar window. If you press Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Shift-Z on the keyboard with the History panel open, you can cancel or redo an operation while viewing the history. In addition, you can return the operation history to any position like this by directly clicking the history on the History panel. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.